Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of mine. Before we begin, you probably have noticed that videos are shorter in length that are published midweek. This is essentially because I don't have the time to put out like a long 10-minute video, if that makes sense, due to other commitments. While I'd love to do this at this stage, these shorter videos are the best I can do and hopefully you can understand. While we're talking about other stuff, I just want to say thank you for 21,000 subscribers, I really do appreciate it. Anyway, on to today's news, which comes from the long-running Lufthansa new livery situation. I plan on making one more video after this one on the livery, and then that will complete the mini-series. Today, however, I aim to focus in on the news of a tour around Germany and Europe showcasing the new livery. If you've been following the news, you may have been aware that Lufthansa revealed a new livery. If not, then you can see it on your screen pretty much throughout the video. To celebrate this new livery, Lufthansa are sending a Boeing 747-8 and Airbus A321 around Germany and parts of Europe, showcasing the new scheme. The tour of the 747-8 takes place throughout Germany solely, with the registration of the aircraft in question being D-ABYA. It's set to take place on the 8th of February, with the 747-8 operating essentially a circuit around Germany, visiting Munich, Frankfurt, Dusseldorf, Hamburg, and Berlin. The arrival and departure times are all listed on your screen now, and I believe these times are in German time, so if you're from Germany, they should make more sense. Along with the stops, the 747-8 will actually be performing a number of low passes and or flybys in these destinations. A screenshot will also be on your screen now with the timings and locations precisely. I'm not too sure if they'll be passing over a landmark or just the city in general. There should be some websites showcasing the best spots if you are from any of these areas and want to see the flyby. The A321's tour is shorter but still interesting. It'll visit Charles de Gaulle, Munich, Frankfurt, and I believe Milan. The registration is D-AISP for this A321, and at this stage it is still receiving paint into new colours. Overall, I'd love to hear if you were for this sort of tour. It's something Qantas didn't do. Thank you once again for watching my video. I will hopefully see you all in the next one. Peace.